What's up? Welcome. My name is Matt Hiner. I'm the owner and founder here at Hiner Outdoor Living. And I wanted to take a chance to introduce you to Hiner and our brand and what we're all about here in Colorado Springs. I started Hiner in the spare bedroom in the back alley of my home with the last $300 I had to my name back in December of 2008. Since then, we have really been working on just growing and getting Colorado Springs outside in their backyards, enjoying their space through our design process and just building superior backyards. One of the things that makes Colorado Springs so awesome is our outdoors. And even though we've got the mountains right there with the 300 days of sunshine, we're still at our homes the majority of the time. Our goal is to get you into your backyard, enjoying that space, getting something that's really well designed, that's gonna be inviting and enticing to where you're sitting outside looking out that window and you just wanna be out there, listening to the water, sitting around a fire pit, having a good time with your family and your friends. That is what Hiner is all about, is just living to excellence and being outside and being happy and healthy. We do that by getting to know you, coming to your home, and literally taking all the unique factors of what your lifestyle is, what the property and those opportunities are, and we put them into a functional design. If required, we're gonna put that into a 3D fly-through so that way you can really see what it's gonna look like before a shovel even hits the ground. Our goal is to really just team up with you and make sure that you've got a space that makes you feel like you're on vacation every single day that you're back there. So if you're here and you're watching this, I wanna invite you to click that link, book that free discovery call. We're gonna ask you for a few photos. That's going to allow us to hop on a phone call, make sure that we can actually help you. If not, I want to make sure our team is pointing you in the right direction. Our goal out here is to inspire life outside. And if we can't help you, I want to make sure that you're set up for success. We can't wait to talk to you about your project. So book that call now and we'll talk to you soon.